Okay, now I'm at the Horseshoe on the Strip, not the one downtown, the classic one. Nay, this is what used to be known just a little while ago as Bally's. Aye, that was originally the MGM ground, the original MGM ground, which caught fire. You may have heard about back in the 70s. That's the monorail. You can catch the monorail over there, over yonder. There's the Spear. So we'll be looking at that later on. Good view there. There's the wheel. That'll be spinning around tonight. The Flamingo. Jolly good. Cromwell. Good location here. This a matey of mine got this for me. Actually, matey. Right. So it can't say how much it would cost. Right. And so I'll give you a look around here. Sorry, my voice or my might not sound right. Trying to cover up my human voice. Oh, you don't want to see that. It's not foxy, you know. Right. There's just your basic HD telly. Nothing fancy about that. Yes, you will like this. So that is an actual fridge. That will save me some money. Go to CVS. There's one nearby. That store over yonder. With the $1 beers. Oh, I'll put those in there. That sounds good. Maybe give me some rum, right? Nice looking beds. Right, plugins here. Okay, coffee maker. Some more plugs here. Another beer. You think of the existence for recording. Right, and more. So, as you can see, pretty much gets the basic stuff there. Really light on pictures or anything like that. It quite surprises me. I'm actually rather disappointed. Scalpel usually always has pictures up on their walls. Yes, and the D downtown, they got some lovely pictures up. So it's going a little disappointing. Yes, and there'll be some more plugs here, right there, from the lamp. You know me, I use a lot of power. This thing has a wireless, contactless charging there as well. Fantastic. Okay, and looking pretty good so far. Okay, everyone, jolly good. And the night's won this afternoon as well, so I'm in a good mood. And there's a fancy looking Italian restaurant down there. I should try that out since it's so close. Okay, like, subscribe, it's Foxy.